Hey everyone, I wanted to show you what I was envisioning with this unit circle that doesn't have the coordinates filled in. If you prefer to Google a unit circle that has the coordinates filled in and you just find it easier and you want to just do that, that's fine. This is for people that are looking for a little bit of an extra challenge. So I just wanted to show a few of these. 11 pi over 4 is a little bit more than, it's actually almost 3 pi, right? Because 4 goes into 11 almost 3 times. So we know that we would have to find a positive coterminal angle. We could subtract 2 pi. This has all been done in previous videos, so I won't talk too much about this. Our common denominator would be 4, and we've got 11 pi over 4 minus 8 pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4. So we know that we are here. Again, that has all been talked about in previous videos. We're finding the tangent. The tangent is y over x. And what's missing here is the coordinates. So what I was thinking that you could do is either just visualize or write it down, the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 trick. All the denominators are 2. All the numerators have a square root. And this coordinate right here is going to be connected to this one. So we're looking at that root 2 over 2 moving into quadrant 2 would have a negative x value and a positive y value. And so you can figure out the coordinates. It's great practice to try to figure it out on your own like that. For the tangent, we are doing the y value divided by the x value. And we know that this is division, which is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to just jump right to that. Everything is canceling out except you have a negative sign. And so this is going to be -1. Okay, and then let's look at cosine of 5 pi over 3. Let me see if I can. I'll just grab a clean copy of this for you guys. And then we're doing cosine of 5 pi over 3. Okay, this is actually on the unit circle. It's right here. But again, if you're trying to do this without the coordinates, you're going to do your 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 trick. All the denominators are 2. All the numerators have a square root. And this point is going to connect to straight over, straight up, straight over. It's going to connect to this set of coordinates, 1/2 and root 3 over 2. When we go into quadrant 4, you have a positive x value and a negative y value. So those would be the coordinates there. Then you would look the cosine. The cosine is the x value, and so this would be equal to 1/2. All right, and then the very last one, I think, was cosine of -pi. All right, positive pi is going 180 degrees counterclockwise. Negative pi is going to be going the same distance in the opposite direction. 180 degrees or 2 quadrants, you're actually still going to get to this point. The coordinates there are -1, 0, right? You're going left on the x-axis to -1 because the radius of the unit circle is 1. You're not going up or down, so that y value is 0. The cosine is the x value, so you're at -1. That one did not require us to do the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 trick. So this is a limited amount of time that I'm talking through these problems, but it's just because we did so much of this work, finding the coterminal angle, figuring out the coordinates. We did a lot of this work in the other videos. So I think I just wanted to show you an approach of how I envisioned you figuring out what those coordinates are. Again, if you would rather Google unit circle and use that, that's okay too. This is just providing a little bit of an extra challenge. All right, great job.